Okay, so you've unboxed your air fryer, you've opened the instructions and they're not very easy to follow. That's probably why you're here watching this video. We're plugged in, plenty of space around the air fryer to let it breathe. We're on a heat-proof surface. And before you do any cooking, you'll want to preheat your baskets. Now, if you're just cooking on the left or the right, you'll choose L. If you're cooking in both, you'll choose LR. The preheat button is here. You'll press that, you'll press start, and then it'll preheat for 5 minutes at 200 degrees. Now if we want to cook in both baskets, press LR. Now your temperature's on the left here, your time's on the right. So for the left side, we will change the temperature and the time. We press the R for the right side. And then this button here is your sync button. You press the sync, both sides are synced. When you press the start button, the right side will start, then when that reaches 19 minutes, the left side will start. So I'll show you that. As you can see, the left side has now started, and both these baskets will finish at the same time. Now, if you just want to cook on the left side, you can see how simple it is. Adjust your temperature, your times, or choose one of the preset options. The fish, chicken wings, fries, cakes, veg, dried fruit. And once you're ready to cook, just press the start button, it'll start cooking. So we choose fries, for example. Press start. Now when you're cooking fries, it's advised that halfway through you remove the basket, and as you can see, that stopped the air fryer. Give your fries a shake, place the basket back in, and it'll carry on the cook. Now, as I said, you can use the preset options or adjust the times to suit your needs. And you can adjust, if you don't choose the L or the R side, they will both change, as you can see. You choose just the left, you want to do fries in that side. Choose the right, you want to do veg in that side. And when you're done, pull these out, put them in your dishwasher, and just wipe the outside with a clean cloth. Simple as that, very easy to use.